Welcome to your guide on getting the most out of your Samsung American fridge freezer. With a few simple tweaks, you can maximize efficiency and keep your food fresher for longer. Start with the basics. Ensure your fridge is set to the optimal temperature, between 3 and 4 degrees Celsius for the fridge and minus 18 for the freezer. This ensures your food stays at the perfect freshness. Next, organization is key. Utilize the designated compartments for different food types. Place meats, dairy, and vegetables in their specific zones to maintain their quality. Don't forget about those smart features. With Wi-Fi connectivity and digital inverter technology, you can manage your fridge's settings from anywhere. And use the quick freeze option for speedy cooling when you need it. For energy efficiency, keep your fridge well stocked, but not overcrowded. Check that the door seals are tight to prevent cold air from escaping. Regular cleaning and maintenance will also extend your fridge's life. Clean shelves with mild detergent, and remember to defrost and check the water filter periodically. Finally, tackle troubleshooting with ease. Reset alarms, manage ice maker issues, and handle power outages without breaking a sweat. For more tips and expert service, remember Vancouver Appliance Service Pros has got you covered. Keep your fridge running smoothly and efficiently every day.